to do app, or you can say CRUD application. So let's start. First of all, we will install Django. So first of all, I will verify that Python has been installed in my system. Yeah, so I am using 3.7.3. Now I will install Django application. Pip install Django. So I have already installed Django in my system, so that it is saying requirement already satisfied. So I will create Django project. So Django admin start project to do. So this will create a to do folder in my system. Now I will go to in this folder and create my application. Py manage.py start app main. So this will create main application in this project. So you can create multiple application in project, in a single project. So now I will run my this Django fresh Django application in the browser. Py manage dot manage.py sorry manage.py run server. So it's running, it's a starting development server at this port. So now you have successfully installed Django, and this is your welcome screen. When you install new Django, then this screen will show. Now we will create our to-do application. So I will open this folder. I will open this main folder. This is our main application, and this is our project settings. So first of all, the first thing I will do, I will open setting.py and I will register my application in this project. So go to installed apps and then add main. So this so with this we have registered our newly application in to do project. Now I will create my now I will open url.py and include my application URL in this project in this project setting. So now include I have not created any URL file, but I will create soon. So here I will include main.url URLs. Now I will create URLs in the main folder, urls.py in the main folder. In this folder, first of all, I will from django.urls import path, then URL patterns equal to path. The first argument is my route, and then I will add here views dot home name equal to home. Now here views is our functionality file. This will Django is MVT framework, model view and template. Model model is for our database functionality or database table. View is our logic functionality, and template is our template file for view, for UI. So here I am importing home method from views file. Now I will create from dot views import from dot import views. I want to import I want to import all things from views. Now I will open views.py, and here I will register my first template home.html. So I will register define home request return render request home.html. Now this method will load home.html from templates folder in the from main application. So we have not created a templates folder yet, but we are going to create templates, and here we will create home.html. Home.html. Now we will create a simple HTML file. Visual Code Studio is awesome editor. I love this home page. Just for testing purpose, I am going to show just a simple heading home page. So now we have created our view method. We have created a URL for our view method, and we have created our template also. So I'm going to run this application. I think we have already running. So now I will run this manage.py run server. Yeah, so it started. Now I will refresh this page. Yeah, so my template is loading now.